Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Snippet Development Google Reviews in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool lets you fetch and display Google reviews directly on your website, boosting credibility and engagement. With 5 customizable snippet styles, you can tailor the review display to match your site's design, whether in compact grid or visually engaging list. Enhance your brand's reputation, increase conversation, and build strong customer confidence with the seamless Google review integration. So, first of all, we will go into our website. Here you can see your website page. Here you can find the edit button. When you click on the edit button, you will find a review and rating menu under there. Here you can see the 5 different styles of snippets. First of all, I'm going to drag my first design and gonna drop on my website. Here you can see the layout of the first snippet design. Here you can write your response or comment. Here customer can give you the ratings, and also you can submit it from there. Now I'm gonna drop my second snippet style. Here you can see the second snippet style. After that, I'm gonna drag and drop the third snippet style. Here you can see the feedback style. Here you can write your comment and also submit it. Now I'm going to drag and drop the fourth style for the snippet. Here you can see the comment box and also the submit button. Now I'm going to drag and drop the fifth design, and here you can see the comment box and the rating box with review or submit button. These were the 5 different styles of the snippets you can add in your website. After saving it, you can see the website style. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.